What if your vehicle inspection process could reduce paperwork, improve communication between the driver and maintenance department, eliminate scanning RFID tags, and improve vehicle safety before passengers get on the bus? All this and more is available with the Safe Fleet Vehicle Inspection app. Pre- and post-trip inspections made easy. Safe Fleet Vehicle Inspection is an automated pre- and post-trip inspection system that helps fleet managers optimize the performance of their fleet assets. The system is made up of the tablet application, cloud storage, and a web portal. It enables streamlined and efficient communications between the driver and maintenance teams, with real-time flow of inspection results and on-screen notifications, and makes use of the Android device GPS for location, camera for photos and videos, and text-to-speech for text comments to verify an inspection was properly conducted and to validate the data that was collected. Here's how it works. Download the app from the Google Play Store. Open the app and enter your credentials to log in. Select a vehicle to conduct an inspection on. Once an inspection is started, you will be guided through each item that needs to be inspected, such as vehicle body damage, fuel levels, and odometer readings. Inspection procedures are easily customizable, and edits can be made by your designated administrator or by Safe Fleet at no extra cost. Inspections can also be edited to align with your business processes, such as COVID cleaning or post-trip passenger checks. A request for a photo may be presented to document any of the inspection items. For example, a picture might be requested to support a failed tire inspection, verifying that a nail is in the tire. Or, during post-inspections, a video may be taken of the empty seats to show that the driver confirmed no one was left on the bus. Once completed, a signature is required to certify the inspection. After the inspection has been completed, the report gets uploaded to the cloud. If an item has been flagged for repair, the maintenance team is notified immediately. Once the item has been fixed, a mechanic can certify the repair using the app to convey the details back to the driver during their next inspection.